what's up, everyone? Poppin' Missouri here, guys. Yeah, we're gonna open a soda mystery box. Believe it or not.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
We bought 4 of these from Plastic Empire. They're $19.99 a piece plus shipping. So 4 of them shipped was $6.66. Somehow. That's what they charged us, at least. So we're into these about $21.65 or something like that. 4 sealed sodas, a chance to 500 piece Freddy Funko as Monster, I think. I think it's Frankenstein. So let's rip into this and see what we got. We'll be back. Alright, guys and gals, like we said, 4 sealed sodas, $19.99 plus shipping. Again, shipping was like $1, like less than $2, so $21 for 4 sealed sodas. Yes, please.
Yeah, boy.
Alright. Got some paper. Alright, we got 4 sodas. Let's just pull the first one out. We got, Boruto. I think this one is all yellow. If he's the chase, I think. Like a glow yellow color. So, let's see. He's in head first. We'll show you guys first. I can't see it. I can't see nothing. Let's see. He is one of 10,000 U.S. version here. Or what do they call it? Domestic. Oh, come on. Let's get a chase right off the bat. 1, 2, 3. No. He's just a common. He is just a common Boruto. Uzumaki? I don't know. Wait, what? It is the chase. It is the chase. Glow. Okay, I thought he was all yellow, but I could feel it. I could feel it on his face. We'll enclose a picture of this. Guys, right there. I mean, boom, off the bat. 1-for-1 chase, Plastic Empire. Pick these boxes up. There was 300 boxes, I think. We got 4 just to play with. Ooh, 12,500 piece Dracula. Awesome. Let's see what we got here. I'm out of practice. I don't remember how to open them. I'm so excited. Let's see. Hope everyone's doing okay with this heat we got out there. Dracula. Alright. This one, I have no clue. Not a clue on this one. I was wrong on the last one, so here we go. Dracula. Unmasked, maybe? I don't know. Pretty cool. He's got some blood on his face there. And he is just the common. 1 of 10,500. Mr. Dracula. So the chase looks like he's got horns on him or something. So, okay. 2 down. 2 to go. We got Ron Swanson, 15,000 piece from Parks and Rec. I've never watched this. Never watched this show. Nope. Never have. Probably never will. Oops. Alright, let's show you the pug. Hope you guys saw it. Looks like he's got a little bit different stance. If he's got a coffee cup, we got the common. No coffee cup. Looks like chase. Oh my gosh. Alright. Hope you guys are enjoying this content. Before I show you this, make sure to go down there and hit that like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3. He's got a coffee cup. I'm assuming that is the common. The way it looks. And it is 1 of 12,500. Okay. Hey, we're 1 for 3. I will take that on a $20 box. Alright, so our last soda is Russell from Up. I don't remember. Is this the heavy one? The light? I don't remember. I know one of these two. I think it was Carl. That was like so obvious it wasn't even funny. So, weight-wise. Okay, there you go. We do not have this chase. We don't have the chase we got. We don't have any of these chases that sodas we pulled today. So that's pretty cool. And we honestly don't even have 2 of these commons. So there we go. All right. 1, 2, 3. He's looking at me. I don't know. That looks pretty common-y to me. Oops. Different box. And it is 1 of 10,500 piece. The Russell Common. Nice. Alright. So, we'll go through and we'll check all the values of these, especially the chase, to see what. And again, we're only in at like $22 for all 4 sodas. So, can't beat that. We still have 3 more over there to open up to. That's another 12 sodas. I just kind of wonder how many unnumbered ones we'll get and how many duplicates. That's the only thing I'm worried about, is getting a bunch of the same unnumbered soda. So we'll see. Again, we have 4 boxes. We might order a couple more if they're still available here in a couple days. So we'll check the prices and we'll be right back.
Plus 120,000. Impostor.
Hey, welcome back, everybody. As you can see, it's a couple days later. Life got in the way. Life comes first. You all know that. We're going to price out these sodas. Remember, they were $19.99 plus tax, plus shipping. So we're into about $23. If you remember, we got 4 sodas for 23 bucks. Can't beat that. That's like $6 a soda, right? Dracula, guys, $13. He is the common. Okay. Russell, he's the common as well. He is $12. Okay. So we're to 25 bucks right there. We've already made $2 on the box. We ended up getting Ron Swanson here. Ron Swanson's kind of an odd one. $15 for the common. The chase is only $23. So it's weird. And then the first soda we pulled out of the box, which surprised me because, totally honest with you, I was thinking of a different soda. The chase on that one is pure yellow, like an iridescent yellow. This one is Baruto. This one is glow in the dark. Chase for $37. So 4 sodas for about $23, $24, somewhere around there. We got $77 in value. Out of those first 4 sodas, we have 3 more of these boxes we're going to be opening up here in the next week or so. 2 weeks maybe. So can we do just as good or better? It'd be awesome. We haven't opened many sodas lately. They just haven't been appealing to us. But this deal, who can pass up 4 sodas for $23? If you're interested in any of these sodas that we just opened, these 4 right here, let us know in the comments down below. We can probably work some kind of deal out. And guys, as always, be decent, human being, doing a good thing for everybody, and we'll see you later. Bye.
No! No! No!